Hello friends. So now we will study what are variables in Python. What are variables? Now you have learned how to write basic in Python. It's time to understand how to declare a variable in Python. We will also learn about the difference between data types available in Python in coming videos. So first we need to understand what are variables. Python variable is a reserved memory location to store values. In other words, a variable in a Python program gives data to the computer for processing. Unlike other languages such as C, Java, variables in Python don't need initialization. Don't need initialization. So let's start taking all the variables types. First, we are taking variable 1 and let me understand how to declare a variable. Like we are giving the name Mickey. So we declare variable one name Mickey. So if we want to print it, what we need to do? We just need to do it print var1. As we run it, you will see how the variable is coming out. So in you define a variable and name of this variable is var1 and you are going to set the value of this variable string containing character micky. This is how you print a variable. Now we are going to print a variable 2. Let's go and how we need to print it. We just write it down and we'll show you. Variable 2. I'm saying variable 2 is 5. Print variable 2. Now running this, you will see how we can print different variables. Now a different variable. Now if we print so this is how you define a variable. You set a value and ultimately you print this value. Now that we have learned how to store a variable in Python, let's try to get a variable from user and then store it. You will see how you can set a variable from user. So to get input from user, we will use input function. Get a input from user, we will use input function. Input is a function in Python which is used to get input from user. So if we are declaring a number input, what's your favorite number? Let's see. What's your favorite number? If I'm saying this. So this is how I'm taking input from user. And if I want to print it, then print number. You have to do it as you run it. You will see what's your favorite number. I am saying it's 13. Then you will see it's 13. So it's going to print content of this. If you are this print number, this is going to print content of this number. Then you will declare the value and it will take the value as it is. So if you want to add new cells here, we will just caps lock on and we will press B. As you press B, you will see this will be, there are number of cells will be there, or you can add it from here, from insert as we are doing. So let's try adding a string to answer received. Now we will see another one thing. To add a string, name is equal to input enter your name, and if I want to print welcome and you want to give the name. So if I run it, enter your name. Let's say my name is Rima. Welcome Rima. So this is how you take input from user and store it. So this is all about in this demo. I will start with some fresh topic in new demo. Thank you for watching my video.